Hi. I wanted to hop on and talk about one of my favorite new networking tools. And yes, it's Posting Party. My name is Kathy Weaver, and I heard about posting parties about probably the beginning of 2021. Had never been to one, didn't know what the purpose was, didn't know how to run one, didn't know how to attend one, didn't know how to make the most of my time at one. So I jumped in with both feet to figure it out. So one of the first posting parties I went to, there was this big announcement on LinkedIn and it said free, open to everyone, please join us. So there was a bit of what to do ahead of time, but of course I didn't read it or do it because I figured that I would find out what it was about first and then do what I thought was the next step. So when I got to the posting party, they were explaining what it was, how to do it, things like that. So they said, make a post on LinkedIn. All right, I can do that. And so I literally made a post on LinkedIn, and I am a Kangen water rep. And so I thought, all right, I'll do something about Kangen water. So I made a post, and all I did, the only thing I did was post a picture, and it was a picture of a dead plant, literally very dead plant. And it said, plants need hydration too. That's about it. I put a link to my website, miracleswithwater.org, a few hashtags, water, things like that. In fact, here's a picture of my dead plant. And that is all I did. Plants need hydration too, a few hashtags, and that's about everything. So then how do you take that post from LinkedIn and put it on your posting party? They told us how to do that. All right, wonderful. So now I'm learning how to do the steps in a posting party. Now, there were 84 people on that first call I went to for the posting party that was advertised free on LinkedIn. So once again, I had zero expectation because I didn't know what a posting party was, the purpose, the procedure, none of that. So I posted my link to my dead plant in the chat on the party, and then the rest is history. I got 894 views and 68 comments on that very first post. That was not my norm, FYI. My LinkedIn response efficacy traffic was dismal at best. Didn't use LinkedIn much. Didn't know it was incredibly awesome for business and exposure and traffic and algorithm. Didn't know that. But I really started paying attention. 894 views and 68 comments on one post of one dead plant. Oh yeah, I'm going to find out what this is all about. So of course, what did I do next? I thought, well, if these are free, I'm going back to the next one, which happened to be the following week. So there I go back to the next one, and now I'm an expert, of course. So I added a little more pizzazz to my post, a little more facts to my post, certainly my web address, and definitely some more hashtags, and tagged a few people who are part of my Kangen water family. So same thing, 800, 900 views, 60, 70 responses, comments. And I thought, okay, this is cool. Well, then I joined another group that I love, free networking. And I started going to that, and lo and behold, they offered posting parties too. What is the deal with these posting parties? So I went, yeah, I'm going to that one for sure. Well, the good news is now I get to help facilitate posting parties for lots of different groups because I absolutely love them. There are different things you can do on LinkedIn: audio message, video message, QR code, hashtags, emojis, emoticons, all different things that you can do on your LinkedIn profile, including recommendations, including activity pages, including featured articles, posts, and videos. And I thought, all right, if I up my game on LinkedIn and help other people up their game on LinkedIn, we're going to have a lot more effective network here, my friends. So that's what I did. I learned how every time there was a posting party, every time there was a LinkedIn training, every time there was anything to do with LinkedIn, I attended because I wanted to learn more and more and more about this fantastic platform. Now, there are posting party opportunities for other platforms as well. And just to let you know, it depends on the one people use most. It depends on where your clients hang out, all of that. But for me, I was not utilizing LinkedIn effectively yet. So I wanted to learn all I could about that particular platform. And quite frankly, when you meet people virtually or even in person, one of the first places they go to check you out, if you will, seems to be LinkedIn. So that's why I dove in with both feet on the LinkedIn platform. So for me, I started learning. And did you know, if you facilitate a LinkedIn posting party in a lot of groups, you will have an opportunity for a 1-minute infomercial to the whole group, like 80, 90, 100 people show up. They literally say our facilitator today is, or our host for the party is, or our sponsor for the party today will be. Whatever that looks like, you can actually have paid events if you want. And now our sponsor is, or it can be free, but you still have an opportunity for sponsorship and additional ads, if you will, as far as people put on social media, the facilitator for the posting party will be, etc. So there's lots of different nuances within a posting party format that can be monetized or not, that can be advertised or not, that can be invited and open to the world or not. It just depends on the parameters that you choose to place on your own posting party. So please consider, if you haven't attended one yet, oh my gosh, it really was a game changer for me. If you haven't hosted one yet, I am super duper happy to facilitate. I've gotten to facilitate several now across the globe, as a matter of fact, definitely in the United States, but I've facilitated several in India, actually. I've got a very large network there, and there are 2 different organizations, and they wanted posting parties for their groups. So it really is lots and lots of fun to be able to meet people across the globe, with the common denominator being social media and needing, wanting, hoping for more traffic. And there are strategic ways within many platforms, but again, we're talking about LinkedIn specifically here. There are strategic ways to make that platform bounce for you. And that's what happened for me. So if you'd like to learn more about a posting party, I'd love to invite you to one. I've got one every single week that's free and open to the public. I have several that I facilitate for other organizations, and I have organizations that want me to facilitate for their groups. And so schedule permitting, I say yes. So the answer is, if you'd like to attend one, I can help you with that. If you would like to host one, I would be happy to be your facilitator and help your group up their algorithm and definitely their organic traffic on the LinkedIn platform. So again, I'm Kathy Weaver, and Kathy Weaver KC is my brand. So you can go to Kathy Weaver KC and find out all about me.com if you'd like. That is 1,000,000% up to you. But again, if you just type a Google search, Kathy Weaver KC, you'll be, Kansas City is what that stands for. You'll be able to find me, and we can definitely connect. So thank you so much for watching and listening and possibly learning, because I would love to connect with you on one of my favorite subjects besides Kangen water, is definitely posting party. So thanks so much. And I hope to see you at the next one, because we all could use some more traffic and up that algorithm. Bye for now.